Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to tell you about an incredible new website hosting solution called Hostley Turbo Pro. Hostley Turbo Pro is revolutionizing the hosting industry by providing ultra-fast, highly secure, and unlimited website hosting, all for a single affordable one-time payment with no hidden fees down the road. Powered by their next-gen bare metal servers optimized specifically for speed, Hostley Turbo Pro claims to deliver industry-leading page loading times within just 1 to 2 seconds globally. That's up to 5 times faster than the competition. Imagine how much more engaged your website visitors will be when your pages load instantly. Hostley Turbo Pro helps you keep customers on your site longer and drive real business results. They also give you unlimited resources to host as many websites and domains as you need, without any restrictions. Say goodbye to those pesky hosting providers throttling your bandwidth after a certain point each month. And you'll love their intuitive cPanel that simplifies every task without any technical skills needed. Set up a WordPress site in just one click. I've tested Hostley Turbo Pro myself and have been blown away by the blazing performance and features. Switch over today and turbocharge your online presence, knowing you have a top-notch, worry-free hosting solution fully backing your ventures. Click the link below to claim your special promotional price before it ends. Your business will thank you for choosing Hostley Turbo Pro as your new hosting provider.